You might find it hard to believe, but Tesla's next bold move may not be about cars, batteries, or rockets. It could be about reshaping the entire real estate market. Elon Musk and Tesla are preparing to introduce a tiny house concept that could redefine sustainable living, priced at just $7,999 and expected to arrive in 2026. Unlike traditional homes, this project promises to treat housing like a mass-produced technology product, ultra-sustainable, affordable, and built at scale in Tesla's Fremont factory. For the first time, Musk is shifting his focus from urging people to drive electric vehicles to enabling them to live in self-sufficient, low-cost homes. The timing is no coincidence. Across the globe, housing has become a crushing burden, particularly for young people and middle-income families, as home prices and rent continue to soar. Tesla, having already proven that it can take electric vehicles from niche to mainstream, now wants to apply the same disruptive approach to homes. Instead of relying on builders, contractors, and months of construction plagued by delays and cost overruns, Tesla's homes will be pre-manufactured, shipped in compact form, and assembled within hours. The idea is radical yet simple. The entire structure, walls, kitchen, bathroom, wiring, plumbing, and ventilation, is fabricated in the Fremont factory using robotic assembly lines. By the time the house leaves the factory, it is nearly complete and requires only minimal setup once delivered. Built with reinforced steel frames, durable concrete panels, EPS insulation, and multi-layer composite sheets, the modules are pressed with enormous force to ensure rigidity while remaining light enough for easy transport. Each unit measures about 8 meters in length and 3.6 meters in width, with a weight around 5,400 pounds. Once packaged, the home folds into a rectangular block suitable for shipping containers or truck beds, making delivery possible even to remote locations. Installation is designed to be effortless. Once the modules arrive, they are unfolded and secured onto a foundation, whether screw piles, precast concrete, or adjustable frames. Electrical and plumbing systems connect through waterproof quick couplers, with testing carried out on-site. In just 1 to 3 hours, the home is fully functional, a sharp contrast to conventional houses that can take months or years to finish. Durability is a central feature. The Tesla tiny house is engineered to withstand storms, flooding, snow, and heavy rain. The steel framing and waterproof panels provide protection against corrosion, mold, and structural wear. The roof can hold snow loads, while coatings add longevity. Though no home is immune to natural disasters, Tesla promises far greater resilience than most tiny house competitors. Inside, the compact 280-square-foot space feels larger than expected thanks to its 9-foot ceilings and tall windows that allow natural light to flood in. The interior is divided into 4 zones: a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The living area, located at the entrance, includes a sofa that converts into a bed, a small table, and a wall-mounted TV, but it can also function as a home office. The kitchen, though compact, comes fully stocked with an induction cooktop, refrigerator, dishwasher, oven, sink, and cabinets, along with a fold-down dining table. Ventilation and air purification systems ensure air quality while cooking. The bedroom uses a Murphy bed that folds into the wall, maximizing open space during the day while offering a comfortable double bed at night. The bathroom, though small, features a shower with a tempered glass door, a water-saving toilet, sink, and mirror, all paired with ventilation to maintain comfort. Space efficiency is maximized with hidden compartments, shelves, and storage units, turning every inch into usable area. What makes the concept revolutionary is Tesla's modular, Lego-like approach. A single 280-square-foot unit can serve as a starter home, but modules can be combined or stacked to create larger living spaces, even multi-story houses for families. Buyers can start with a small, affordable option and expand as their needs change, rather than being locked into oversized mortgages. On the energy front, Tesla offers upgrades for complete self-sufficiency. For a few $1,000s more, customers can add solar roofing and Tesla Powerwalls, managed entirely through the Tesla app. Water systems include a 1,000-liter storage tank, rainwater harvesting, greywater recycling, and waste treatment, enabling off-grid living. This transforms the tiny house into more than shelter, it becomes a microecosystem designed for independence. What surprises many is the price point. At $7,999, it undercuts nearly every housing option on the market. Tesla also eliminates many hidden costs. Typically, land taxes, permits, and paperwork drive up housing expenses, often exceeding the cost of construction itself. Tesla, however, is committed to reducing these burdens, even offering free land for the first 2 years in select areas. Buyers can simply place an order, receive delivery within 1 to 2 weeks, and move in immediately without endless red tape. In Musk's words, it's like buying a car, but instead, you receive a home delivered by a Tesla semi-truck, unfolded and ready to live in within hours. The project has roots in Musk's own lifestyle choices. In 2020, Musk famously sold nearly all of his multi-million-dollar mansions, choosing instead to live in a tiny prefabricated house provided by Boxable in Texas. This wasn't just minimalism for the sake of image. Musk used the experience as a way to test and validate the feasibility of compact, factory-made homes. He lived there for several months, experiencing firsthand what millions might soon call home. His decision highlighted a sharp contrast with other billionaires who spent fortunes on yachts and palaces. Musk instead embraces practicality, sustainability, and efficiency. Some speculate his decision also connects to his Mars ambitions, since prefabricated, lightweight, and modular housing would be essential for building colonies on other planets. Robots like Tesla's Optimus could someday assemble such structures in extraterrestrial environments. Still, the Tesla tiny house is not without challenges. Housing, unlike cars, involves stricter regulations, greater material demands, and logistical complexities. Wear and tear over time, insulation effectiveness, and the limits of small living spaces could all pose concerns. Harsh winters or sweltering summers might strain the systems, while the compact design demands a minimalist lifestyle not suitable for everyone. Privacy in such small quarters can also be limited. Moreover, Tesla currently faces heavy priorities in its core markets, from EVs to robotics, meaning the tiny house may not immediately top its agenda. Costs for solar panels, batteries, and large-scale housing production could also push the price higher than the initial promise until economies of scale are reached. Despite these hurdles, the attention Musk brings to the idea is undeniable. After reports spread that he lived in a Boxable unit, the company received over 100,000 orders. This illustrates the weight of Musk's influence and the growing appetite for affordable, efficient housing. Tesla, with its technological resources and brand power, may be able to push such a vision further than any startup could. If successful, the tiny house could revolutionize home ownership for millions, breaking down the barriers of debt, inflated land costs, and outdated construction methods. Ultimately, the Tesla tiny house is more than just a building. It reflects Musk's philosophy of minimalism, sustainability, and innovation. By living simply, even as one of the world's wealthiest individuals, Musk is making a statement. Progress doesn't always mean luxury, and sometimes the most revolutionary ideas are also the simplest. Whether this project becomes a new chapter in global housing or remains another ambitious Musk dream, it has already sparked an important conversation. Can affordable, mass-produced, sustainable homes become the norm? If a billionaire can thrive in a compact, functional space, maybe millions of others can too.